Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix League of Legends classic game lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, after that launch the game and check. Next is to check system requirements. So system requirements are same as League of Legends. You can go to right client, go to the League of Legends, select your game, and after that just you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to restart VGC service. So for that you have to go to the search option. Here you have to search for services. Here you have to search for VGC, select it, right click on it, click on properties, and in the startup type you have to select automatic, and after that here you have to click on start, and once it is finished you have to click on apply and OK. After doing this, now check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to check server status of the game. So first you should check the server status of Riot Games if there is any announcement related to server downtime. This can affect the game and it will not launch or won't load. So make sure to check server status and wait for some time if there is any downtime. So you can go through the link I have already given in the description. Select your region. After that, check if any downtime is going on. If yes, you have to wait for some time, and after that now launch the game again and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that you have to go to the shortcut icon and simply right click on it and run the game as administrator, or you can simply search for League of Legends. Here you can see run as administrator. Simply click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue continues, you need to go to the installation folder and select run this program as administrator. So go to the game, open a Riot Games folder. Here is the game folder. Select the game and here is the exe file. Right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. After opening the NVIDIA app or website, you have to click on the download option. So this will download NVIDIA graphics card, and after you download it, you have to update it, and after that launch the game and then check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, next solution is to repair League of Legends classic game. So for that you have to go to the right client, select your game, click on the profile icon in the top right corner, click on settings. After that, select your game from left hand side, go below, click on repair option and then click on start repair. So this will perform a scan on your game installation to repair missing or corrupted files. So once the repair process is finished, now click on the play button of the game to check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to allow League of Legends classic game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security, open it. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game if it's listed or not. First of all, search for the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. After that, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. After that, click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. So this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options, and after that try to play the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option. Now search for task manager. When it opens, you have to check under background process tab if any app is running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, and then click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free, or you can go to the Windows search. Here you have to search for Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. If it is turned off, well and good. If not, you have to turn it off. After turning it off, close this. After that, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall, open it. Here you have to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. After that, select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Click on OK. After that, check if you can play the game. But later on, come back and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. If this doesn't work, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the Visual C++ link. It will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and click on yes. Now wait for some time unless the process is completely finished. After that, close this and you need to restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, now check if you can play the game. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after the game is added, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall League of Legends Classic game. So you have to go to the search option, search for settings, open it. After that, click on apps option, click on installed apps, and here you will find your game has been installed. So you can search over here, just go below, here is the game, or you can search in the above section. So you have to uninstall it, click on 3 dot icon and then click on uninstall. Now after you remove the game from your PC, you have to restart your PC once. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, again launch Riot Client, log into it, and after that reinstall League of Legends Classic game, and after that click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.